Hello, and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the top 4 crystal healing benefits of incorporating Larvikite, the stone of magic, into your daily life. And thank you for joining me today. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist. And I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to incorporate crystal healing into your everyday life. And today, we're going to be talking about Larvikite. And Larvikite is a stone that looks fairly similar to labradorite, and it does have kind of that labradorite flash in the light. And in fact, it's also called black moonstone, but it's also known as blue pearl granite. So if you're looking for Larvikite pieces, you can look under all of those names to try to find the best piece for you. If after you watch this video, you are interested in working with Larvikite some more, then I do have Larvikite gemstone and bracelet sets, pendants, and tumbled Larvikite in my online crystal healing store, and I'll post the link to that in the description below. So today, we're going to talk about how Larvikite, the stone of magic, can enhance our quality of life. And the first benefit of working with Larvikite is that it helps to awaken all intuitive and psychic abilities. It's a really powerful third eye stone with a deep connection to our foot and root chakras. And it aids in developing all types of intuitive-based abilities, any magical abilities, and any kind of ritual-based practices, no matter what your religion or your spirituality, any type of religious practice, it will help support and give you the energy that you need for that. It helps with meditation and journeying and visualization, divination, past life work, soul work, tarot reading, dream work. It helps us to strengthen and develop all of those skills. And so if you're a spiritual student, it helps you absorb spiritual knowledge and learning so that you can practice it easily in your daily life. It also helps you learn complicated practices and rituals. And I do know that in Buddhism, there are some pretty complicated practices that I've had to learn, and Larvikite will help you absorb that, help you learn the flow of it, and be able to do that easily, as often as you need to practice that. So it also helps protect you during meditation and during your rituals and practices, as it helps create a protective shield around you to protect your energy while you're in a deep inner state. So wear Larvikite or carry it with you if you are starting any deep, intense meditation practices, or you're developing lucid dreaming or out-of-body traveling, because its root chakra connection will also it will act as an anchor to make sure that your soul and your energy make it back to your body when you've finished these practices. So then the second benefit of Larvikite is that it helps remove negative attachments. So just like sunstone, it helps us identify where we might have energetic attachments, either with other people or with situations in our lives. And it helps us sever those attachments to really heal the holes in our energetic system from those attachments. And it prevents reattachment. So this is really wonderful if you know that you are attached to something, or you feel that someone else is attached to you, and you want to protect yourself and remove that from your energetic system. So it helps also to deflect the negative intentions and ill wishes from someone else. So if you have somebody that you know is really directing some negative energy your way, it will help create a protective shield to deflect that from you. It also helps with your intuition in kind of developing your gut feeling for other people and knowing whether their intentions for interacting with you are positive or not in your best interest, so that you can more easily determine who you should incorporate into your life or not. And then the third benefit of working with Larvikite is that it helps to connect you with the Earth's elements. So this is a gemstone that really has a deep connection with all of the elements of the earth. And it will help you determine what your most energizing element is. So everybody has kind of a core element that helps them rejuvenate, re-energize when you're in contact with that element. And mine is the earth. And I know that if I'm feeling drained or I need some more energy, then I go out barefoot on that earth and, I have a good sit down and energize. But for some people, that happens with water, sitting by the ocean, or with fire, sitting near a bonfire, or watching candles, or air, being up high on hills, mountains, or just feeling the air around you. And those replenish your energy, and Larvikite helps you connect with your core element. It also helps strengthen rituals and practices that are based on element energy. It will help power those some more. And it also has a particularly deep connection with the water element. So if you are meditating while it's raining or near water, it will help deepen and strengthen those meditations. And if your core element is water, then it really helps you strengthen your meditation, your intuitive abilities, and any kind of like ritual or spiritual practice that you do near water, or say during a rainstorm. The fourth benefit of working with Larvikite is it helps you get in sync with natural and divine timing. So part of that intuitive ability that it's helping to develop, it helps us get a better sense for the right times to do things in our lives. And it can be as large as figuring out when you should embark on something new or make a big change in your life. It'll help you, if you sit in meditation with it, determine when is the right time to do that. But it also helps with the smaller things in life, like maybe when to go to sleep at night, the times when you should be eating during the day, the times when you're most creative versus least creative, the times when you should focus on intellectual things. It will help you with your daily routine and determining when is the optimum time to do things. So Larvikite, it's just an incredibly powerful stone. And it helps connect our inner wisdom with the natural energy of the earth and the power of all of its elements to really help support and accelerate our spiritual development. Thank you so much for joining me today as we talk about Larvikite, the stone of magic. And I hope that you found this useful. And if you do feel like Larvikite is a stone that you would like to work with some more, then in 2 days, on Saturday, I will be posting a guided meditation with Larvikite. And you don't need a gemstone to benefit from the meditation. You can just picture it in your mind. And if any of the attributes that I talked about today, or if any of the situations in the guided meditation really call to you, speak to you, or trigger you, then that's a sign that you should get some Larvikite and work with it some more. So if you're new to this channel, I talk about a new gemstone every single week. On Thursdays, I post these videos about the supportive and healing benefits of the gemstone, and on Saturdays I post a guided meditation with that gemstone. So if you're interested in learning about a wide variety of crystals and gemstones and how they can support you in practical life situations, then make sure to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss a single gemstone video. Thank you, and I hope to see you during the guided meditation.